What's going on, guys? Mark here, and right now I'm underneath some nice shade. Check this out. I've got some really good shade here because during the day when I don't have the car in that garage right over there, this car out here runs the air conditioner 24/7 just in case it overheats. So what I did is I had to find a way to get some nice shade, and check this out. We're gonna look at this here. This is a 36, I believe it is, by 36 by 24 sunshade. So it goes over from one corner of the house over to the other one right over here. And excuse my mess because we're cleaning up a little bit. And then what it does is it peeks out right out here for a nice triangular pattern just like that right there, and creates some really good shade. So during the hot day, as you can see here, we have trees that block this section over here, but here closer to the house we don't. So what this is going to do is give Lindsay the opportunity, because that truck does not fit in either one of those garages. It's about $89 for this. I think I paid $10 for the wiring right here and the hardware. And you can get one of these here for yourself like that there. Now I put it up on this wire so you guys can see right, I don't know if you see it or not, but that wire that runs right along right there, that wire is going from tree to tree, and to help the, so it doesn't strangle or cut off the tree right there, what I did is I put a little bit of old used garden hose on each side of it. So on that side over there. And as this starts to stretch itself out, I can ratchet strap it. Ultimately, what I'm gonna do is I got some more hardware that's over here that we're gonna connect these two together, and then I can also tighten these down. Real easy to put up and take down if you want to right here, but offers a lot of shade, as you guys can see. Especially if Harper wants to come out here and play in her little splash pool, she can do that. So I'm gonna show you guys how this handles in the wind. We have a pretty good wind coming in from some storms here, and I've been watching it for a little bit and decided to come out here and while I just did this review, we just got this storm, so you can kind of see how it's flowing through, just nice and soft flow. It's about 10-12 miles an hour. I want to show you guys how this handles in the wind. We have a pretty good wind coming in from some storms here, and I've been watching it for a little bit and decided to come out here and while I just did this review, we just got this storm, so you can kind of see how it's flowing through, just nice and soft flow. It's about 10-12 miles an hour. We're gonna get all this cleaned up, and I hope you like this here. Thanks for watching, thanks for liking, subscribing, hitting that bell button. If you want one of these, check the link out in the description below. I love to get one of those. It helps our channel grow and lets me do more reviews. So I'll see you guys again in the future. Thanks for watching.